In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to Uber Eats. If you're using an iPhone and you want a faster, more secure checkout on food orders, Apple Pay is a great option. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the Uber Eats app and that your device supports Apple Pay. Also, keep both the Uber Eats and iOS software up to date so everything shows up as expected. Begin by opening the Uber Eats app and logging in as you normally would. On the home screen, look to the bottom right and tap the account icon. From there, choose Wallet. This is where all your payment options live. Scroll through the available methods and look for Apple Pay. When you see it, tap Apple Pay to enable it. You may be prompted to confirm or grant permission. Just follow the on screen instructions. If Apple Pay is already enabled, you're essentially ready to go. If you don't see Apple Pay here, or if you're told it isn't fully set up, you'll handle that in the Apple Wallet app. Close Uber Eats for a moment and open Apple Wallet on your iPhone. In the wallet, tap the plus icon to add a new payment method. You can add a debit or credit card by scanning it with your camera or entering the details manually. After adding the card, complete your bank's verification. This might involve a text code, a notification from your banking app, or another quick check. It's a good idea to have a reliable internet connection while you do this so verification completes smoothly. Once your card is verified in Apple Wallet, you don't need to do anything extra in Uber Eats. Head back to the Uber Eats wallet and you should now see Apple Pay available automatically. The next time you place an order, select Apple Pay at checkout, confirm the payment with Face ID or Touch ID, and you're done. By default, Apple Pay will use the primary card in your wallet, but you can switch to another card right on the Apple Pay screen during checkout. If you want to change your default for future payments, adjust that in the Apple Wallet app. That's the whole setup. You've connected Uber Eats to Apple Pay, and any card you keep in your Apple Wallet can be used automatically through Apple Pay when you pay in Uber Eats. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.